Fresenius Medical Care, we are an integrated healthcare provider. We provide all kinds of products and services for people that face chronic kidney disease or even acute kidney failure. We produce products, devices, machines, disposables, plus we have also our own clinics in which we offer dialysis as a service. Our manufacturing engineer work already very closely with the R&D people during the actual development cycle in order to make sure that also the manufacturability is high, which is of course now giving the manufacturing people a nice way in order to have a global definition, but also possibility to localize how, for example, this machine is being produced in Schweinfurt versus it is being produced out of Changshu, because we may want to consciously leverage differences, and therefore the whole concept of manufacturing BOM together with MPM is quite important for us. One of the cases, of course, that we would like to adopt one process step in order to make it faster, in order to use less material. In the past, to revise a whole document, it takes more people to look at this to see if this is still consistent. And with going more into MPM and really having the deep down digital steps will enable us to do changes more quickly and more often and more pointed. So every idea that our engineers on the manufacturing floor have, we would definitely like to look at this and would like to have this also inflow and get the benefit out of this. But if the process around is too clunky, you will never reach those benefits. And this is something that by atomizing and digitizing this type of information, we are really expecting to be faster when only certain process steps need to be changed versus a whole set because it was convoluted altogether.